Alright, so here we have the Gan SKEWB, and this is my very first cube, and I'm just going to be doing a quick unboxing on this channel. As always, thanks to Speed Cube Shop for sending me this cube for free to review. So I think this is the enhanced version. I'm not 100% sure, like, I don't even know what's the difference between the enhanced version and the normal version, but it doesn't really matter if it's the enhanced version or not, because I'm not even that good at SKEWB. I just needed this cube for a new video I'm working on soon. Alright, and I guess we'll be doing our first turns. And as you guys can tell, I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing with all the finger checks and everything, but I mean, the turning of this cube, I've heard a lot of people say that this is the best cube, or at least one of the best cubes, and this is definitely more than enough for what I need. So let's try and do a solve, and yeah, I don't know how to solve a cube, so we're just gonna see how this turns out. So I'm just gonna like use brute force and just like trial and error, I guess. I guess we're just gonna try and solve the white layer first. So, oh, pretty lucky we have these two. And then, does this? It does not. And what about? Oh, there we go. I managed to get one in. And then this one, does it go in like that? Nope, it does not. What if I do like a sledgehammer kind of thing? Ah, there we go. Okay, so we have the first layer. Oh wow. Oh, looks like we got most of the cube already. And from this point on, I have no idea what I'm supposed to do. So yeah, that's about it for this. I also have the new YJ Evo, which I'll be unboxing on my main channel, and I'll probably release the video in about 1 or 2 days. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that unboxing as well. And so yeah, that's about it for this cube unboxing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.